Engineer Prepper here, guys. I'm back with another video. I had this is actually a request from a subscriber. He had a question about a voltage regulator that I was using for one of my other videos for the simple water level circuit, and that circuit runs on 5 volts. Right now, and he asked me. He only has a 12 volts power supply, and wanting the schematic for what I did to convert 12 volts to 5 volts. So it's no big deal. Here's the circuit diagram put together. If you can see that, there we go, right there. Okay, you got your 12 volt source in with a 4007 diode, a 470 microfarad capacitor, the voltage regulator LM7805, another 1 microfarad capacitor, and that's your output, 5 volts. Okay, I'll put a picture of it if you guys didn't see that, if it wasn't coming out clear. So I'm using a camera mount to record my video while I'm trying, because I need my 2 hands to show you this. So I don't have a 12 volt power supply. What I do have is a 17 volt 1 amp power supply. And to prove that, here's the plug. It's plugged into the wall right now, and so you could turn the camera. The positive is on the inside, and the outside is, there's 17.58 volts. Okay. Do it again. 17.58. Okay. So I'm going to plug in my multimeter to the output of the circuit. Right now, as you can see, it's 0 volts. And now I'm going to plug in the circuit. Negative on the outside, positive in the inside and negative in the outside. And as soon as I touch it, you'll see 5 volts from the circuit. 5.01. And that would be constant. That's why the capacitors are in there, so it could clean the signal. See, when I let go, it drops it slowly, so that way whenever on and off, it will stay constant 5 volts, if it's interrupted for some reason, and then it'll drop. Okay, now oops, I dropped it. Now if you wanted to, like, a little on light, you just I'm using a red LED. Here, let me put it in here on the output side. Okay, and then that goes to the negative. Oh, drop it. I dropped my power source. Now, whenever you have voltage, it'll come on. So at least you have it indicating light that it shows that it's on. But as soon as I put it in, there you go, 5.01 volts. Let go. It drops a little bit quicker because of the resistor that's there. Back to 5 volts and drop. Okay. So I basically put it together just exactly how the schematic is, and it works great. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Here, let me do this real quick. In case you want to calculate the resistance for the LED. The formula for to calculate how big of a resistor you need for that red LED. First, you need to know the LED specs. Typically, for a red LED, has a forward voltage of between 2.2 volts and a amperage of 20 milliamps. That's usually a standard for a red LED. And to calculate the resistor that goes there, the resistor equals your voltage source minus your forward voltage divided by your I. Okay? So resistor 5 volts minus the 2.2 volts minus the 20 milliamps, R equals 140 ohm resistor. Okay? That one, I don't have 140. The closest thing I had was 150 ohm, which is close enough. And that's how you calculate your resistor for your red LED, or any LED for that matter. You just find out what the forward voltage is on that LED. If it's a green one, it might be a little higher. If it's a blue one, that's even a little bit higher. So that's it. So let me know if you have any questions or concerns or whatever. Oh yeah, one more thing. This is one little thing I had for years, and usually it helps out with getting your color code for your resistor. So we calculated 140 ohms. So you put 1, 4, 0 in this little window, and your color code is brown, yellow, brown. That's just a quick thing to use to get your color on a resistor when you're looking for one. If you have a pile of them, and then that's just it's a quick thing. So that's it. Anyway, I hope you guys liked that video, and let me know if you have any questions. And remember, thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.